Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have permission to access this network, because intent matters. Next, open your camera or a QR scanner app and scan the code. Many apps immediately show the encoded text. Once done, save or copy the raw QR payload. This is usually a short string that contains SSID and password fields. You do this so you can inspect the content safely on a computer, rather than repeatedly rescanning and risking mistakes. Now you decode the saved payload. Transfer the image or the copied QR text to a device with an offline decoder because privacy and accuracy matter. Open a trusted decoder and load the image or paste the text. The decoder will output plain text. Look specifically for markers such as S, or SSID for the network name and P, or PWD or key equals for the password. Make note of the characters exactly, including case and punctuation, since Wi-Fi passwords are precise. Finally, apply what you found by entering the SSID and password exactly on your device. Type preserves case and symbols, so accuracy is critical. Once done, attempt to connect. If it fails, recheck the decoded text for escape sequences, invisible spaces, or special characters that decoders may misrepresent. Make sure you retry with another device to isolate problems, and if you control the router, restart it as a last step. If issues persist, verify you still have permission before proceeding further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.